baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force.
What up, my kings and queens? It's your boy, 23 Kicks. You can get back up in the building, man. I mean, ATL. We're here for SneakerCon, but y'all know what? It's raining, man. Look at this. Woke up this morning and it's raining, but we gonna see if that's gonna stop anything. I'm about to meet my mans, me and my kicks up here. We getting the early day started, so we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna check it out, see what this weather do, man. See if it's gonna stop anything. Who knows?
Young nigga greedy, I roll about my greenbacks. Yeah, a nigga mean that. Life with camera action, make a nigga bring that scene back. Haters never seen that. I put it in the deck, press the button, watch that screen act. Air Force with them J's, yeah, a nigga got them green black.
Nigga got them green black. Air Force Ones, them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
Understand one thing, I don't run lanes, I run game. And hip-hop fences, if it ain't about them dollars, it's senseless. Your skills ain't hit it, in fact, I'm convinced they miss it. My mission is to forever live lavishly. It's that fly guy out that Air Force Academy. It had to be strapless, you can't match the matchless. I chastise your best guys and baptize the Baptist. Hold your breath, forensic test, shoulders beat, got flow to death. Prepare to meet the devil in a hot minute. Shut your mouth and put this Air Jordan sock in it. The shit you facing basic, my situation amazing. My Air Force Ones laced with dope, man. I let these suckers taste it.
Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got the Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom.
I'm jumping now, looking fresh like a dead man's casket. J's up on my damn feet, and the new ones gotta have it. Closet full of fucking shoes, looking like a shoe bastard. So many damn shoes, they call me a fucking track. J's up on my fucking feet, stuck to me like human teeth. I don't really give a fingers up. Matching hat, matching tee, watch and see like the weather change. A new pair every week. Air Force One, the J's I gotta see on my fucking feet. Doing it big, doing it right. Shit, I can do it all night. Sip and drink, money and bank. Scuff my J's, I make it stain. So you better think before you get close to these damn J's. Have your body decomposed like it was hit with a set of A's, and cut your ass up like it was chopped up by a set of blades. Niggas hate, I'm getting paid and make them turn twice.
Cause of these rare blue J's.
Okay.
Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom.
It's so hard.
Now, what did you do?
Huh?
What did you do?
Man, I see everyone else what I did. I got in a car wreck. Someone hit me head on.
Check it out, man. In a size 2C with Mars, man. They're baby shoes. What do you guys asking for those?
$60.
That's real cute.
Yeah, it is.
Travis Scott 6, man. You know your boy took an L on that on the sneakers draw. Took an L on SNS. Took so many L's on this shoe. The moonwalk gots to be more careful. What size is that? Like a 10 and a half? 11. Woo!
Those are gonna go for some money.
The smallest I can go is 11 and a half. I wear 12. I don't even want to touch the shoe. I'm gonna leave you alone. I appreciate that though. But it'll definitely be off of money.
Hey man, shout out Kings 23 Kicks, man.
You know, I'm rocking a little snakeskin fours. And then I pull up on this guy, and this guy has them as well. So it's a rare shoe, but just him seeing it, and then me having it, it's a crazy thing, man. And I haven't seen nobody with these in a while. It's not a shoe that you see it too often. So you think about that. That's crazy, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. All right, it's your boy Wire and Honcho Tender. You know, shout out to Kings Kicks, Kings 23 Kicks. You know, go follow them. You know, go shout them out. SneakerCon at ATL.
Right. Appreciate it.
man. It's crazy as hell. These people still coming in, man. That line is long as all outdoors, man. SneakerCon Atlanta, people. So, see if I can catch up with my peeps. See what's going on. Get y'all some good footage in.
Hey, yo, Bosco.
Moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my vibe like a push out on the block. Holding my ground so rappers get lost.